This is probably the charger to charge the internal battery. And what else? So let's open it a little more. Okay, this is a plastic, and I have here a battery. Probably, I suppose this is a multi-voltage in and USB out. You can of course use any chargers that you already have. Cable. Probably this is the charging cable because I don't see anything else. Hello manual. And probably warranty. So, okay, they're telling me what is the codes that arrived, etc. Let's see if it has a power already inside, or it doesn't have. No, it is totally discharged. So of course I will charge. I see, if you can see, a blinking one LED. Probably this is saying that the battery is fully drawn and we need to charge it. So let's charge it and then I will try to see how to work with it. But of course keep in mind that you don't have to use all the time the wireless. You can use of course a regular cable, like a regular disc, if you're near it, so you don't have to use the wireless. And that's all. Thank you and bye bye.